Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 154. And friends, today we are going to continue the same topic that we will discuss about Sabhyata means Shishtachar, means etiquette related sentences in our English language. So friends, today we are going to continue the same part. So friends, I will read the sentences in Hindi and side by side I will translate you in English so that you may find it easy to understand the meaning behind the sentence. मैं कुछ अर्ज करूं. So in English it means may I say something. So friends, this is basically a present interrogative type sentence because in this sentence the person is basically trying to express his feeling. Basically he want to say something or he want to interrupt in between amongst the different persons. So basically he is trying to take permission from another person. So he is saying मैं कुछ अर्ज करूं means may I say something. So it is a present etiquette related sentence. बुरा ना मानिएगा. So in English it means don't mind. So friends, it normally happens friends, we normally say to another person very in a casual way. We cut jokes with another person. So we do feel that there may be a chance that he might feel hurt from those jokes. So we normally apologize in a direct way. So we normally say बुरा ना मानिएगा means don't mind. मैं आपकी सेवा में हाजिर हूँ. So in English it means I am at your service disposal. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically assuring to another person that he is basically available for him for his help. Whenever that person needs help, he is always available for him. So basically he is making him assure that if you need help anytime, then I am available for you anywhere anytime. So मैं आपकी सेवा में हाजिर हूँ means I am at your service disposal. So it is also present etiquette related sentence. हम आपकी अच्छी खातिर ना कर सके. So in English it means we couldn't entertain you properly. So friends, basically this is a past tense related sentence because in this sentence the person is basically apologizing to another person that we couldn't entertain you properly, means you came to visit us at our home and we couldn't entertain you, we were not very much hostile or we didn't make you feel hospitable in our home. So we were not very you can say we were not very cooperative, very loving, caring towards you. So we are basically apologizing for that. So हम आपकी अच्छी खातिर ना कर सके, we couldn't entertain you properly. क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? So in English it means may I sit here. So friends, this is also a present interrogative type sentence because in this sentence the person is basically trying to take permission from another person to sit there. So क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ means may I sit here. So it is a present etiquette related sentence. आपकी मदद के लिए धन्यवाद. So in English it means thanks for your help. So friends, basically this sentence means that the another person is very much thankful to that person. So it normally happens in our day-to-day life also friends. If we ask help from another person and he basically helps us or he gives us everything to us, so we normally say thank you to him. So आपकी मदद के लिए धन्यवाद means thanks for your help. हम पर आपका एहसान है. So in English it means we are grateful to you. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically very much grateful to another person. It normally happens friends, if someone does anything good for us or if someone does anything for us which is very important in our life and we normally are very grateful to that person. So we normally say we are grateful to you that you helped us in a very difficult and critical situations. So हम पर आपका एहसान है means we are grateful to you. आपकी नेक सलाह के लिए धन्यवाद. So in English it means thanks for your sensible good advice. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically giving thanks to another person for his valuable advice. So it normally happens with us friends, if we go to another person, if we try to take advice from that person on different topics, so if the advice is sensible or that advice is very much suitable to us or it changes our thoughts and deep thinking or our way of doing work etc., we normally give thanks to that person. So आपकी नेक सलाह के लिए धन्यवाद means thanks for your sensible good advice. कभी आइए ना. So in English it means please drop in sometime. So friend, in this sentence the person is basically inviting to another person कि please do visit us at home, means you are so much busy in your work, if you get time please do visit us or do drop in sometime. So कभी आइए ना means please drop in sometime. So friends, this is also a etiquette related sentence. आराम से बैठिए, so in English it means please make yourself comfortable. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically assuring comfort to another person. He is very much caring towards that person, so he is basically offering him comfort or offering him help, etc. So basically he is trying to say आराम से बैठिए means please make yourself comfortable. So it happens with us also friends, if someone comes to our home and when any guest come to our home we normally offer him chair, table, or we normally say आराम से बैठिए means try to make yourself comfortable, means please make yourself comfortable. मैं आपकी क्या सेवा करूं? So in English it means what can I do for you? So friend, this is also present interrogative type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically asking to another person कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूं, means what can I do for you. So it happens with us also friends, if someone comes to us so we normally ask him in a formal way कि मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूं, means what can I do for you. So friends, these are basically etiquette related sentences because they play a very important role in which we basically show our etiquettes, our regards, respect to another person if we meet that person after a very long time, or if someone comes to our home after a very long time. So this this shows our personality or our nature, our way of presentation towards another person in our day-to-day social life. So friends, kindly practice these kind of sentences in your spare time and try to practice with your friends, relative, neighbors, etc. And ultimately with the passage of time you will realize that your confidence has boosted up, your personality has groomed, and ultimately you have become a perfect English speaker. So friends, this was the English speaking part 154 in which I tried to explain you about sabhyata means shishtachar or etiquette related sentences in our English language. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So kindly keep supporting me so that I may bring you more interesting English speaking topics which could prove to be an asset for you. So friends, thanks for the valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.